Ibotta payouts vary heavily by store because some retailers consistently have more active cashback offers, while others rarely have high-value deals or only rotate promotions occasionally. By the end of this, you'll know which stores actually give the best cashback results on Ibotta, how to spot where you'll earn more before you shop, and which stores usually waste your time. Start with how store selection actually works. Ibotta doesn't pay the same everywhere. The app relies on brand partnerships, so certain grocery chains and big retailers get more frequent offers. That means your earnings depend less on where you shop randomly and more on where the app currently has active deals. Now the most important pattern. Big grocery chains usually give the most consistent results because they carry national brands that run repeated cashback promotions. That includes stores where you do regular weekly shopping, not specialty stores where product variety is limited. Warehouse-style stores can also perform well, but only when you're buying branded packaged goods. Fresh items or unbranded items usually don't trigger cashback, so the value depends on what's in your cart. Smaller local stores tend to have fewer active offers. That doesn't mean zero rewards, but it usually means less selection inside the app. So even if you shop there often, you might not find many redeemable deals. Now here's what actually matters more than the store itself. The highest earnings come from matching the right combination of store plus offer availability. If a store has multiple active brand promotions when you shop, your total cashback increases significantly. If the same store has no relevant offers that week, your earnings drop even if you spend the same amount. This is why users sometimes think Ibotta stopped paying well, when in reality the available offers at their chosen store just changed. Another key detail is timing. Offers rotate frequently, so the best store today might not be the best store next week. Checking the app before shopping matters more than sticking to one location. So instead of picking a single best store, the smarter approach is checking which stores in your area currently show the most active offers inside the app and planning your trip around that list. Summary: Ibotta performance depends on store partnerships, not store names alone. Big grocery chains usually have the most consistent offers. Active deals in the app matter more than where you normally shop. Next step: open Ibotta and compare 2 nearby stores before your next grocery run to see which one currently has more active cashback offers. Like and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of how cashback apps actually work without confusion.